I want to talk to you today about proof that infrared sauna is superior to a thermal sauna and a steam room based on a theory that I have with a little bit of evidence that sort of point towards this theory potentially being true. So here's the thing. There's three types of heat therapy that are commonly used today. That's a steam room, a thermal sauna, and an infrared sauna. So I have this theory based on the physics of heat transfer and how these three devices make me feel that puts the infrared sauna above the other two. So here's the thing. A steam room feels really hot on your skin, even though it's not necessarily that hot. Reason being is that you're covered with water, and water is a really good conductor of heat. So the heat will enter your body easily, or it'll sit on your skin easily. If you are cold and wet, then you get a lot colder. You die a lot more quickly than if you're cold and dry because of this phenomenon, right? So steam room feels hot. You can just stay in there for a short amount of time comparatively. A thermal sauna or a traditional Finnish sauna works by convection. It feels like medium heat, and you can stay in there a medium amount of time. The way it works is that the heater will heat the air. You're in the air, kind of like an oven, and your skin is exposed to that air, and that hot air goes on your skin. So there's a ton of research on thermal sauna because it's been so popular in Scandinavian countries for so long, but not a lot on infrared sauna. I know that that is changing, and I'm really excited to be alive today because people are researching and broadcasting about the things that I care about. When I was little, it was like Einstein was a vegetarian, and that was like the evidence that I had. But now people like Soderbergh, like Huberman, are doing research and are broadcasting that research. And it's just a really exciting time to be alive. So I know in 5 or 10 years, we're going to have a lot of information, but I just want to add my tiny voice to the conversation for now. So an infrared sauna, the way that it works is it produces infrared rays that go into your skin, and they penetrate into your skin and tissues like an inch, depending on what wavelength of infrared it is. There's near, there's medium, and there's far. I'm in a far infrared sauna right now. There's full spectrum infrared saunas that are fantastic, and I love them. I don't have one. So my theory is that the infrared rays will penetrate into your skin and heat you up from the inside out. Now, I just want to make a quick note and say that I've tested my sauna, which is a dynamic sauna. I've tested my auxiliary heaters that I put in here with an EMF tester just to make sure I'm good, because it sounds a little bit like a microwave situation, but the EMF is very low in both of those situations. So the infrared rays are penetrating into your body and heating you up from the inside out. You can stay in for a long time, and it's not uncomfortable. You can see I'm sweating a ton, but it's not painful. And a lot of times we feel like no pain, no gain. We have to experience like the most intense feeling to be able to get the most benefits, but not necessarily the case. And this is something that I struggle with an infrared sauna, but I experience myriad benefits. And it's I've done videos about all the things that I've experienced, and it's just amazing. I just want to talk about one, which is my skin. So if I'm in the infrared sauna for 3 or 4 times a week, and it's like maybe 30 minutes. I like to be in here for a long time just because of my timing in the morning, but all it takes is like 20, 30 minutes, and I start that timing from when I start sweating. My skin becomes amazing, buttery and soft and just like incredible. And my theory is that the infrared rays will penetrate past my skin, go into my collagen. They'll do slight damage, and it will come back better. It'll heal itself bigger, better, stronger, faster, whatever. And then that's what affects my skin being just incredibly soft. If I don't do the sauna for like a week in my normal routine, my skin goes back to being normal, dry, human person skin. So that's to me really clear evidence of the benefit of infrared sauna and the difference between infrared versus other types of saunas. So I'm a big fan. Feel free to leave any questions that you want in the comments, and I'll do my best to take a look and answer them. Thanks.